in the clay mixing room. This is a storage room for clay. We have a clay mixer. You may get to mix this quarter. I haven't decided yet, depending on timing. And then we have things like storage and laundry and stuff in here. We are currently today mixing some clay in this mixer. And this mixer basically spins around and allows us to take clay that's too wet plus clay that's too dry and make clay that is just right. When we turn this guy on, the lid needs to be down and we'll have a vent on. It gets pretty noisy, so I'm not going to turn it on for us right now, but it will be running sometimes when you're in the studio, and like I said, you may get a chance to mix yourself this quarter. Back here at the front of the room, you see the whiteboard. Here are a couple things for you to be aware of. One is the first aid kit. Obviously, we're going to try not to hurt you in this class, but we do have, needle tools and knives and things like that. So if you get a cut or a burn, we have treatment stuff in here. Other kinds of emergencies, we do have a phone here. You can call me, you can call security. You cannot call off campus other than 911. There is a list of important phone numbers up here. Campus security, my office, front desk in this building, facilities in case there's something like a flood. Most of this, you won't be the only person in the studio, so other people can call. There are also numbers for fire and pump, but you won't be able to call off campus. If you don't have another phone option, call security. They can call off campus for you. Hallway door that leads to the hallway. We want you to wipe your feet when you leave. That's because walking around the studio, you've picked up some silica dust on your feet. There are cleaning protocols for silica dust, and we try not to make the custodial staff deal with them outside of this room. So please wipe your feet so you're not tracking clay dust all up and down the halls. Important thing for you to be aware of if you're working with clay at home as well. You don't want to track that clay dust around the house. Clean up after yourself. Another fire extinguisher here. And then the other thing I want to show you, up at this front sink and in the in the glaze room as well, we do have some eye wash stations here in case you get glaze in your eye. I'm not totally sure what you would get in your eye in this room. That would be a problem. But in the glaze room, potentially getting glaze in your eye would be bad news, and so you would want to wash it off.